Hello, Madeline. We
Hi,
are
Misty.
so excited you are back at Mount's Botanical Garden to visit us to see Patrick's installation
I just
again.
love this. I just cannot get over what a joy it is for everybody to go through his installations. So,
Absolutely,
how'd you get
absolutely.
started with this?
He started with two flatbed trucks full of 30,000 pounds of willow branches that were brought in, and in less than 3 weeks, Patrick, his son, 3 weeks, his son and an incredible group of volunteers came together for a community build project, and here
You're
we
so
are.
lucky.
Here
It's
we
just a
are.
treasure. He did an episode for GardenFit for us, and we
Mm-hmm.
got to see his home, and that was so
Oh, that's
exciting. Yeah, so
special.
we really got to know Patrick, as I'm sure you did. Well, I just love being in here. I feel like a child inside. I love peering out of all the portals or
It
windows.
is.
They're really fabulous. And
It's
I will come
magical.
back and visit a lot and bring more friends
You
because
are
this is a
welcome
joy.
anytime and bring all of your friends.
I will do that,
Absolutely.
Misty. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Madeline.